So my name's Olivia Soady and I study fashion design at University of South Wales. So my final collection was all about positivity and how clothes can be used to enhance our mood and the relationship we have with clothes psychologically. So I was really inspired throughout the pandemic by the journey that I kind of went on with my own sense of style and clothing, and the way that people either dressed really comfortably or dressed really exuberantly in over-the-top clothes and really used clothes to make themselves feel better through a really hard time. And so I spent a lot of time researching principles like mood illustration and enhancement, as well as colour psychology. And I really was interested in the ability that clothes have to hold a memory. So a lot of my project was looking at how we can use those principles, not only to make ourselves feel better, but also as a way of getting people to recognise this psychological importance of clothing and how that could maybe be used as a sustainability strategy in the industry moving forward. So for example, this jacket is made from squares of fabric which have handwritten memories about an item of clothing. So one person wrote about their first ever pair of Levi 501s, and someone else wrote about their first ever shoes that they bought their baby and how they couldn't throw those away. And so I quilted those together. So I think the biggest challenge of final year is just the amount of work. And everyone always says it's going to be hard, but I don't think you realise how hard until you get there. And with it being creative, you put so much into it, and I feel like it becomes like a little part of you. And that can be quite amazing, but also hard at times. So I'm proudest of finishing. I suppose that getting to the end is an amazing feeling, but it is bittersweet because obviously it's really sad to be finishing uni. But also then as well, the Commonwealth Games, which I was lucky enough to be a part of designing the kit for, that was a really special moment this year. So I'm really excited to get started in the industry, as well as to see me and Beth's Commonwealth Games project live in action this summer. That's going to be really exciting. And then to see what other opportunities that might bring.